that and I'll pour the milk, okay?
I pour the milk, you mean?
No, you pour the cereal.
Pour the cereal.
What is that?
Why is Ethan here?
What is that?
Those.
I don't like this.
What is it?
What are they called?
I don't know, but I don't like them.
Wait. What do those have on them?
Clover?
What did he do?
What did he do? Did he play a trick on you? Oh my goodness.
He left you Lucky Charms?
I don't like them.
Oh no.
I hate Lucky Charms.
So what did that leprechaun do?
I don't know. I think he changed it.
Did he trick you?
No, he changed my yummy stuff. I do like these. Here,
Alright.
Caitlin, don't make me.
Oh, thank you.